What's up guys, happy Monday. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to shoot a really quick and informal video today. I was down here in my shop getting things set up for the next episode of the filament series and realized yet again my shop is super cold. My shop, if you don't know, is really just a repurposed one-car garage that's connected to my basement. So part of it is underground, part of it is not. So it does stay warmer than it could, but I've been using this super small dorm room style space heater and it's just not doing it for me. The shop is way too big. This is meant to probably go by a bedside or on a table next to you when you're sitting right by it. It has an exposed heating element that sawdust and stuff could get back into, so it's not super safe. So I decided to go ahead and make an upgrade today, and we're going to open that up together. So I decided to purchase this Lasko 1500 watt oscillating ceramic heater, and I think it's sized perfectly for this room, which is just under 300 square feet, and this will cover up to and just beyond 300 square feet. So I think it's going to be a good option. Let's open it up and see what it can do. Okay, it looks like it comes with everything you need apart from a screwdriver or a drill to assemble it and some AAA batteries. So I ran upstairs and grabbed some of those. I'm going to follow the assembly instructions real quick. It looks like just a few screws and we'll be up and going. So do that real quick. Let's turn it on, see how noisy it is. So right now, that's I think on the high setting. Let's see. Yep, that was high. So the remote has a nice little readout here. Turn on the oscillation. So that seems to work. I think I'm really happy about the volume. I think this might even be quieter than the small guy that I had. Now let's see if we can adjust the temperature. So it's got a little readout here, 70 degrees, auto. So let's put it down like 68, which should be super comfortable in my shop. So is it putting out heat? Yes. So I think this is going to be great for a few reasons, guys. The main reason is that you want to be comfortable in the shop that you're working in. When you're using power tools, hand tools, anything like that, the more comfortable you are, the less kind of stiff your hands are, the better, the safer you're going to be. Also, when you're applying finishes and paint, you want that to cure properly. So a well-heated area, or at least an area that's climate controlled, is going to be best for you to make sure you get the best results out of the finish and stuff you're using. So serious upgrade for my shop and long overdue, no exposed elements. Safety first, guys. If you like this type of quick, random, informal video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do that. You'll stay up to date on the latest content from me. Look out again for that filament series episode soon. We'll talk to you later, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, this thing was only like 47, 48 bucks, so pretty good deal in my opinion.